Hands down, everyone on the call was like, we absolutely have to have this software product. I'm Leslie Hargraves. I'm an audit partner with Maxwell Locke Ritter, the largest locally owned and managed firm here in Austin, Texas. So we found out about Strongbox because our transaction advisory team has been working with them for the last couple of years, and it has been, according to one of my partners, a life-changing product. It really allowed them to scale and grow that service line, more efficiency on their team that let them spend less time trying to get what they needed from their clients. Like everybody else in the world of audit, we are a bit of a nuisance. I mean, you just can't help it, right? We're asking people to go above and beyond their normal job that they have to do every day just to pull a bunch of support for us to get what we need. We're bringing this in our toolkit to make this easier, to add some self-service to the audit process. I think one of the biggest benefits that we're seeing from Strongbox is really in our ability to deliver at a higher level on client service. We really work to be an advisor to our clients, to help them as much as we can in solving problems that they run into, but also in just making the audit process as efficient as it can be so that we can really spend our time focused on the complex areas, the challenges that they face in their industry, things that are a bit more interesting than having to get through journal entry testing or cash testing. I would definitely recommend Strongbox. I think, for me, it starts with their great client service and their ability to understand the problems that we're facing. The other piece of that is we see it as a great sales tool. We talk to clients about what we can bring to the audit to make it as efficient as we can so that they can continue on with their day jobs. This has been a great sales point that we can bring up during the proposal process that helps the audit move smoothly and helps us lessen the amount of time that we need from their team to support the audit.